Hello students, now this exercise 3.3 first problem second bit. Okay, we are solving these problems using substitution method. Now this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now equation 1 is given by x minus s minus t is equal to 3. So we can write s equal to 3 plus t. So this will become equation 3 now. Okay, now it's every equation previously had only x and y, so we were taking out y to the left hand side and bringing all x values to the right hand side. But here we have s and t. Okay, whether it is x or y, it is not mandatory that we have to keep y to the left hand side. Okay, we can keep only for graph problems, we have to take y to the left hand side. Okay, we have to keep y to the left hand side only in the graph problems. While solving using substitution methods or any other method, it is not mandatory to keep y on the left hand side. You can even keep x on the left hand side, but it depends on the problem. Now if you take this t and if you consider t as y, and if you want to keep this to the left hand side, it will become minus t is equal to 3 minus t. Then again taking out that negative sign, all the stuff becomes very messed up and very confusing. So the easiest way is I will bring this minus t to right hand side, so it will become plus t. So single step we can get s equal to 3 minus t. Now what I will do, we'll substitute s equal to 3 minus t in equation 2. Now substitute s equal to 3 plus t in equation 2. Okay, now what is equation 2? S minus 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So s will be 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now here the LCM will be 6. LCM is 6. Okay, so this is 3 into 2 then 6. So the numerator will be multiplied by 2, so it will be 3 plus t plus. Now for we need 6, but we have 2 here, so 2 should be multiplied with 3 in order to get 6. So here also the numerator will also be multiplied by 3, so it will be 3t, okay, this will be plus 3t is equal to 6. Now when you cross multiply, it will be, this is 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 6 are 36. Now this, if you bring this 6 to right hand side, it will be, now this 2 plus 3t is 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. So 5t is equal to 30. So t is equal to 30 by 5. So this is 5 ones are 5 6 are 5t is equal to 30. So we are leaving t to the left hand side, and since it is multiplication, when you transfer this 5 to right hand side, it will be division. So 30 by 5 is equal to 6. Now we got t is equal to 6. Now substituting t in equation 1, substitute t is equal to 6. Sorry, t is equal to, I said 1. Okay, so t is equal to 6. So substitute t is equal to 6 in equation 1. So equation 1 is s minus t is equal to 3. So s minus 6 equal to 3. So this will imply s equal to 3 plus 6, then s is equal to 9. So we got s equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. You can even verify. T is 6, s is 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So we are satisfying equation 1. You can also verify for equation 2, you will get the correct answer. So this is the way substitution problems are done. Okay, we'll be doing most of the problems in the exercise. Okay, don't worry. My request is please practice the problems. Okay, so that in the examination time you will not be doing any mess up. Okay, thank you so much.